Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful DeLonghi magnífica espresso machine. It comes to us with a clogged grinder, it wasn't grind at all, it was jammed. When I tested, I look at it, I find out like it kind of even the customer used oily beans or it got some water in it, so it was jammed and the ground coffee was stuck inside. So I need to disassemble it, take it as a some of the parts and lubricate it, put it back again and test it. So it's good to go now. So let's go ahead and test it, make espresso shot on it. I add it to the max here to make it, and so let's go ahead and let's see. Sounds good. That's good enough. It's giving a great shot with 3 layers, sticky crema, and tasty. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Oh, let's test the other functions on the machine to see or to show it's functioning actually. Let's test the steamer. It takes a bit until it's get hot. I give it another bath for the machine and I clean the whole unit. And the entire machine gets cleaned again. That works perfect. So if you want to get like a hot water, you need to press that and get hot water. You have some steam in your lemon, then the hot water will come out. That's good. So it's functioning perfect, everything on the machine. Thank you for watching.